Abby is with me, but she's just gone to relieve herself around the corner, which I'm sure she'll be well happy that I'm mentioning. We've got the headland management set up on here, which is good. We have ourselves a new drone pilot. We're turning! Lovely rows of grass here. Right guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Something a bit different today. We're in a Massey Ferguson. This is one of the in-laws machines. This is actually the one me and Abby travelled from the church to our wedding reception in. It's a 7718 Dyna 6. And we got a power harrow on the back today. Just levelling off a bit of ground ready to drill for maize at Abby's family farm. Abby is with me, but she's just gone to relieve herself around the corner, which I'm sure she'll be well happy that I'm mentioning. So yeah, 3 metre Amazon power harrow with a crumbler on the back. Doing a good job. We've got some plastic or something wrapped around there. Probably do with getting that off before we do anything else in a minute. But this ground was grass, as you can see. It's not been sprayed off or anything. It's just been ploughed and disked, and now we're power harrowing it, leaving it just level, really level, with a bit of fine soil on top. And then father-in-law, he's in the next field over at the minute with the drill. He'll come and drill it. Yeah, there she is. So there's the dog, and there's the wife. Hello! Where's she? Get her! Get her! Ah, right, I need to see about getting that plastic out. Come on, the lady.
What's that? Oh, he's thirsty now.
Take off the handbrake. Stand on the dog's tail. Hold on to your horses. You're supposed to do that a lot softer.
Yeah, gathered then.
There you go. It's because we're in top gear now, see? Because Ben said, go faster. So we are. Hello. Oh.
Bit dirtier than last week.
Yeah. I have to get Phil to clean it again. As you can see, my tractor driving ability knows no bounds, and I can draw a dead straight line without the ability of auto steer. Well, the bit where it curves. So you can't see. Proper good that is.
You can in real life.
This is speed power harrowing. We're doing 6k. We started in that corner over there and done all the short work.
What time do you start? 8:30.
And then Abby's brother turned up and said, how's it going? I said, yeah, alright. He said, what gear are you in? So I said, 1F. He goes, oh, I don't know. Says you want to be in 2D. And we're literally doing twice the speed we were. So we would have done twice the work we've already done had we been doing this gear from the start.
Your drill will be catching us up.
Yeah, where is Pops?
See him?
He's on the road.
He's changing field though.
He's changing field. Oh no! He's going to catch us up. Right. No more dilly-dallying around.
Don't do the work.
No more toilet breaks for you either.
I needed to. Nature week.
Not doing too bad a job.
Are you still going?
There is a bit of clumpy grassy bits around, but I've been assured that it will drill fine. So we're just going to crack on and do what we're told. We've got the headland management set up on here, which is good. Get to the end of the road, we just press headland management, and the power harrow lifts up a little bit. Turn around the corner, push backwards, push us into reverse. Go back as far as we want to. Press forwards. Tractor's doing this all by itself. Turn in, press the headland management button again, it'll drop back down. Beautiful. The only thing we haven't got is auto steer. But it's ready for it as well, all the screen's there and it's all... I got a button that says auto steer, but when you press it nothing happens. Gutted. Let's have a word with Benjamin about that one. Abby has jumped out the cab to take some pictures with her mobile telecommunications device. So I've chucked her a GoPro. His father-in-law is now just the other side of the hedge in the next field. So see what you can do with that. So we'll see if she gets any footage, but we're scooting along nicely. Drill will catch me up, but Abby's dad's going to go back and give her brother a hand to sort the cows out this afternoon for milking. So we'll have a little bit of extra time to get across this field and finish. The hedge is getting closer obviously with every run, and now we're going a bit quicker, we're getting there a bit faster. When you drill maize, you drill the headlands first, so I need to have the field completed for when he wants to come back. But that should not be a problem. I do like these Masseys, they are nice. If only it had auto steer. Have ourselves a new drone pilot. We're hoping to get the drill and the power harrower on the drone to go, but Abby's dad's got a puncture on the drill tractor, so he's limping it home. So we're down to just us again. somewhere, Abby is flying a drone.
Don't know how far.
Don't know what's going on.
Might have to like edit this or something.
Right, herself and the dog are going home. Abby's got a night shift tonight, so she needs a bit of a power nap before doing that. This hedge is getting ever closer. We've not got that far to go to get to it. Sort of going to a bit of a point, so it'll soon be shorter runs each time. There's the JCB for loading up the seed and the fertiliser. See, father-in-law he done his outside rounds, and then he had a flat tyre. Oh, where did I get to? So we haven't got too much left. Hopefully he'll be back before we finish, so I can show you a bit of it. But whether he will or not, I don't know. I guess there's a bit of a higher clay content this side of the field in the soil. That side worked up to dust. See, this side is leaving some more like golf ball shapes. So they're going to drill it, and then Ben will roll it with the Cambridge rolls. So that will, as well as just levelling the field off ready for a pre-emergent spray, that will also break up some of those lumpy bits we're leaving behind. There is less turf over here though. You can see there's a degree of turf being brought up over that side. There's definitely less of it over here. But yeah, we'll keep going. We are now on the headlands, and we are kicking up a bit of Stewart, as my mate Crawford would say. Over here we just call it dust. Peppers are looking happy out there in the field. Yeah, this has worked up quite well. Obviously there's some tufty bits of grass, but it is what it is. Ben's gone cutting grass. So once I finish here, I've got to go and drop this power harrow off, hook up a turner, and go and turn a field of grass for him. So we'll see how that goes. We are turning! Lovely rows of grass here. Ben said this is a field of new grass seed, so thick old crop of stuff. They weren't going to turn much of what they want to pick up this week. I'm just doing this one field for them. Yeah, beautiful bit of grass. Pottinger turner, same as the one that we have at North Wyke. Doing a very good job. This is new to them, or fresh to them. They've got a chrome one as well, but they seem to like the job that this one does. So yeah, we spent the morning power harrowing. We're going to spend the early part of the evening turning. It's only this one field, so it won't take me too long. Yeah, what a day. If it's going to be as hot for the rest of the week coming as it has been today and yesterday, then you won't want too much drying. This one raking up Fairby time tomorrow and picking up, because it will soon be drying out. Right, I've just finished tedding out this field. There is a monster crop of grass in here, absolutely huge. I'll take a bit of chewing through with the old Jaguar. Here's the Pottinger tedder, so that's fresh to Ben and the family. It's got a slightly different headstock than ours. So ours here has got a transport hole like this one has. It's also got the field hole. Well, this one's got a setup here whereby you take this pin out and then put it in this hole, and then that allows that to flex so it can undulate over whatever bumps there are. Tractor's got a bit of an oil leak. He's sorting out on there. But no, did a very, very good job. Very impressed. Didn't lose any time, which was good as well. Yeah, Ben's just over the hill mowing, dropping some more. It'll all be go, go, go here tomorrow. That's that. Taking this thing off is a bit of a challenge, because you'll see the top of the link arm linkage is missing. You've got to sort of slide this out how you would on one that had like a encased link arm, but we'll see if we can get it done here. Right, got there in the end. I had to disconnect the stabiliser and pull it this way, but we got it. I just need to get the ball out of there now if we can. just like that, I am home. What a fun day we've had, something a bit different. What was it they say, a change is as good as a break? I don't know. Got to drive something different, somewhere away from home, good day out. Got to see Abby's family as well. The dog is excited to see me home, he's even bought me my slippers, look. Yep. Yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I think it's something like 60% of the people that watch these videos are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, click subscribe, it's just there somewhere, it's completely free. And you'll always know when I've got a video coming out. Loads of links in the description for all my other forms of social media, so be sure to check those out as well. And we'll see you on another video very soon. Cheerio.